Good day, Madam, Sir. I'm Hylene Balete, 38 years old. I have four children, ages 19, 18, 9, and 6 years old. I am a college undergraduate. I have experience as domestic helper in Dubai, Singapore, and Saudi Arabia. All my contract is finished. My main duty there in Dubai is do the household chores like cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing, marketing. And after that, I looking after the kids, prepare them to school, bring and pick up them, assist them with the homeworks, and look after the toddlers, cook healthy food, bath, play with them, and bring them to sleep. In Singapore, they have a four members of the family, couple 2 years old, couple 2 years old, and newborn baby. And help madam to taking care of the newborn baby, and I will do also the household chores like cleaning, laundry, work, washing, marketing, taking taking care of baby, giving formula milk, burping, bath, change dress, sterilize milk bottle and baby toys, check body temperature. In Saudi Arabia, they have five members of the family, three adults and 18 and 14 years old. My main duty there is do the household chores like cleaning, washing, ironing, gardening, mopping, and help my madam to prepare their foods for the family. And sometimes I taking care also the baby ages 2 years old. Sir, madam, I am a hardworking, trustworthy, cheerful, and dedicated and willing to learn the task given. If you hire me, I will do my best to do my duty, and I promise to finish my contract to work with you as long as you need me. I hope you will choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless.